What time are they coming?
All right, seriously, so is a fear of failure also holding you back and keeping you from reaching your goals financially? Joining us this morning to talk about that is Stewart Welch from the Welch Group, and try to help you overcome those fears. First of all, you say these principles, though, don't just apply to your finances, but also your money.
Well, I
your life.
I think most success is built around overcoming fear. No matter what it is, whether it's you played football.
Right.
I can remember when I played football, what was it, the bull in the ring?
Bull in the ring, yeah.
I was afraid to step in there.
Yeah, sometimes that bull was a bigger guy.
Yeah, it was. But you overcame that, and,
Right.
and I know you had a successful high school football career. So I think even like coming on this show, the first time I came on this show, it was a live show. Right. I can remember to this day, that was 15 years ago,
right.
the fear of being on here. But it's overcoming fear that creates success. And that's whether it's in your financial life or whether it's in any area of your life. Well, it's like even asking the girl out. You know, there's a lot of fear around it.
Yeah,
if you didn't overcome it, you didn't ever get the date.
Anywhere. That's right. But let's talk about how it applies financially, because the Dow right now is out of correction, I think, for the first time in, 6 months?
Sure.
We had a great bull market run. So what about the risk financially, though? Some people are really concerned, though, about that big correction that could be happening.
So here are the questions I'm getting. The first one is the Dow going to have, or the market going to have a big correction? And then I'm getting the other question, is the Dow going to go to 30,000?
Right.
It's been wavering above and below 25,000. And the answer is yes. It's probably going to have both. You're probably going to see a big correction, and you will see it above 30,000. So you just have to be patient. But it's a great point, because some people never invest in the stock market because of fear of the market, and then there are other people that have invested and have some bad things happen,
right.
and because of fear get out of the market and never get back in. And it's really just, you've got to figure out how do you overcome that fear.
All right, so let's give people the blueprint on what to work on starting today to overcome your fears. What about
and
the
this
process?
is in any area of your life. It's a 5-step process. The first is to get clear on your goals. Okay. Establish goals, get very clear on what it is. The second one is to develop a written strategy. Now listen, you might not know all of the answers, but you'll know, just write down as many as you can and trust that the others will come as you go. Be
specific, right?
Be very specific.
Okay.
And then you just, literally you need to get going. Some people will never get going because they don't have the entire roadmap. You're never gonna have that, right. So just get going. And expect to run into problems. And it's what I call correct and continue. You're gonna run into a problem, you're gonna say, okay, how do I correct this? And then I move forward, and it may happen 2 or 3 times.
And don't give up. If
you do reach, ultimately is just never quit until you reach your destination.
Yeah, because if you quit when things got bad in the markets, like during the last recession, then you never would have been able to get big gains.
Most time people quit, they're right. If they just stuck it out, they would have realized that they're at the 99-yard line. They just need 1 more yard to go.
Stewart Welch from the Welch Group, good advice this morning. Appreciate it. I'm still never going to jump out of a plane, though. I will tell you that.
Well, we'll see about that.
Jana.